Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the theme in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So let's open the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, then tap on settings, and in settings we have to go into chat settings. Now we scroll down a bit, and under color theme we find the browse themes. If we tap on this and scroll down, here in the color section where we can build our own theme, we can just tap on these this hexagon of colors, and then we can select some colors that we would like to use. For example, let's see, some green like this. Then we can set the saturation of it. Then we can add another color, and it's going to be like a transition. Okay, let's add some blue like this, or maybe we can add 3 colors. Then it's a 3-way thing. We can also edit this color as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.